This day is finally here. Thank you for loving me unconditionally. But my commitment and my promise to you is to be the best husband that you deserve and that you desire.
Thank you guys so much for traveling so far. You have busy schedules, but to be here for us, it's just so overwhelming.
Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud. It does not dishonor others, it is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered. It keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth.
Your love and acceptance nurtured me, and now I flourish because of your tender touch and words. The best part of marrying you today is that I can say that I married my best friend. This is just the beginning, baby.
Now seal those vows and kiss already. Remember, your relationship with one another is special to only you two. And all that really matters is how you two feel about your love. No one else's opinions and judgments matter if you are at peace in your relationship.